Welcome to HOUSE-MATIC, the leading Spanish company in the prefabricated modular construction sector. The most advanced technology in the sector has been incorporated into our modern factory, covering more than 100,000 square meters. We are a large team of professionals committed to the design and modular construction of turnkey projects across the globe. We create value and are committed to innovation. Our products and services have been qualified and accepted by various United Nations procurement agencies such as UNICEF, UNHCR, UNOPS, and UNFPA, which today form part of our client list and with whom we have signed several long-term agreements. HOUSE-MATIC offers clients integral solutions covering the different project phases, including manufacturing, international transport, and assembly at final destination, regardless of distance or difficulty. Flat-pack modular kits, converted shipping containers, and textile architecture are our three main business areas. More information at www.house-matic.com.